have two BV loss operational drones. So basically, this is our flagship. This flagship, we call it Baby Shark, manufactured by Foxtech, Chinese company. Then, of course, we have the P1. P1 is manufactured by a company in the Netherlands. So we decided to get these two drones, of course, for different purposes.
I'm here at the AI conference Nairobi, and in there is a lot of invaluable artificial intelligence talk, but out here is really innovative exhibitions. For example, this here is a mapping drone. Think about this. It would take you months to map out a specific area if you wanted to do roads, but this big boy right here will take you just a couple of hours. Another drone here is the P1 drone used in the health sector, particularly for delivery. Think about places where health facilities are not really close to the residents. This one comes in handy. The company behind this is Drone Space.
This in particular is actually used to do mapping and surveying. And of course, it's used to do large farms, which have to go beyond 1 kilometer. And that's why I mentioned about BV loss, beyond visual line of sight, because this is a BV loss platform, which when you do your mapping, you do not have to see the drone. So that means it's beyond your visual line. And of course, you also need proper advanced training to actually fly this particular drone. So in terms of application, this is going to be used for surveying and mapping large farms. Well, the other application would be medical delivery. So with this P1 has a payload of about 500 to 1 kg. This P1 in particular is used for medical delivery. And of course, one of the things that Drone Space has been trying to do is to see whether we can actually start delivering vials from Nairobi to Makueni. And of course, for the simple reason, you'll find that in Makueni, they don't have cold rooms. So you find that also people get bitten by snakes and stuff like that. So by the time they get into a health center, they've either lost their limbs or they die. So the whole idea is to try and save a life.
As technology advances in different sectors in terms of computing, battery technology, which in this case drones use batteries, and 5G internet, because faster internet means drones get to fly with precision. Drone use is expected to grow in different sectors.
The first thing that people think about is, when I get a drone, boom, at least I'll be able to go and do a couple of weddings and stuff like that, which is good for entry level. But as you continue learning, you'll realize that cinematography is just but one thing. There are a lot of applications again in terms of monitoring of crops, power lines inspection. We are also doing a lot of inspection of solar panels. And those are just but a few of the applications of drones.